Today we got something very special, the Old Fashioned with a small twist. So we're gonna have 2 ounces. We're gonna start with that straight into our mixing tin. A Demerara syrup, in this case it's a brown sugar syrup. And finally, bitters, a half to 3/4 of a milliliter dilution. In this case, we're gonna use a tin full of ice, combine these ingredients and pour. Our final ingredient, garnish. And you have your classic Old Fashioned with a twist, in this case, the Rum Old Fashioned using Barrilito 3 stars. Aged rum is excellent, especially in this case, what we're using here to mix in all the classic cocktails. What we like to say here in Puerto Rico, ronealo. The Island Rum Mule. Pour out 2 ounces of our cocktail directly into our mule glass. We have lime juice. Depending on taste, start off with maybe half an ounce. Ginger beer. And we're gonna add the first half, and we're gonna just fill it up halfway with ice here. Combine those ingredients. We're going to have a couple sprigs of mint here. And finally, we're gonna do a small lime wheel. And with that, you have a beautiful Island Rum Mule made in our Moscow Mule glass. This is perfect for where we are right now, summertime. You're gonna wanna order at least 2 or 3 of those. Salud. Now there's other dark rums that could be used in these cocktails too. So you're seeing with a lot of different types of rum, you can make basically any cocktail that already exists and get creative.